All human beings are born curious. We have an eagerness to explore, discover, and find out new things. Research has shown that it is this inherent curiosity that motivates us to seek out new experiences. Curiosity is the antidote for boredom. It is impossible for a child to be both curious and bored at the same time. Also, curiosity is one of the strongest motivators to learning. So what can parents and teachers do to support their child and students' learning? The answer can be found in what we call authentic learning projects. These are natural ways for families to engage children in learning. Welcome to Ruthsstraighttalk, the channel designed to help you, your students, and your children live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be. I'm Cynthia Ruth. In this video, I will share with you several ways to help your students understand fully the lesson that you are teaching. I will explain several outstanding strategies to help them academically through authentic learning projects and dispel boredom from their lives. Also, don't miss my bonus strategy at the end of this video. So if this video is for you, let's get right to it. Authentic learning projects enable kids to explore concepts through the meaningful real-world explorations. The child chooses the topic that they are interested in. Then the adult provides support by helping the kids to find resources, develop and answer their own questions, and pursue their project as deeply as they want to. There is no age limit for these projects, even though younger children may need more initial guidance in choosing their interests. While the concept of stepping back and encouraging the child to work independently may be new and controversial to some, it is great news for burnt-out parents who are short on time. And you can still learn together as a family or as a class as often as you see fit. So how is this done? Here are 5 steps to support authentic learning experiences. First of all, begin with the child's interest. Look for moments when your child notices or shows excitement about something. This could be a kindergartner looking at a butterfly flying by, or a 4th grader watching clouds form different shapes in the sky. No matter the topic, this spark of curiosity becomes the foundation for a child-led exploration. Talk to your child about what he is thinking. What is the fascination about the topic, and what would he like to know more about? Number 2, look for supports and resources. Lead him to the internet to look at resources regarding his chosen topic. If he is too young for research on the internet, take him to the library and choose picture books and books that are within his reading level. There is no reason why you can't read aloud to him if he is too young to read on his own. Also, short video clips from YouTube can be quite informative for all ages. Help your child think about the things you have available in your home or in your community that would facilitate their exploration. For example, if your child is interested in snails, you could go on a snail hunt in your backyard. This is a great opportunity to teach young children to be gentle with animals, especially fragile ones. Look up what websites you can use to learn more about the topic, and ask around and see who else in your family or maybe your circle of friends have similar interests. Number 3, ask questions. Keep in mind that the purpose of this project is to give the child autonomy to follow his area of interest. So, ask questions rather than issuing directives. For example, ask, what kind of tool will help you solve this problem, rather than saying, here's a tool that might help. Ask, what do you already know about the topic? Or what else do you need to know about this particular idea? And maybe, I wonder what would happen if, and how can you find out? Questions like these will lead the child to, while supporting independent thinking and problem solving. Number 4, link in learning. This is a unique opportunity for you to link his project to subjects at school. This has many benefits. For example, he will begin to see subjects that he is learning in school take on a new relevance in real life. This will also help him to like school more, and it will encourage him to do his best in school. So use every opportunity to bring math, science, literacy, and creativity into your child's project. The link between learning about insects and science is very obvious. But drawing the insect with labeled parts or sending an email or letter to a local expert also promotes early literacy skills. Asking the child whether there are more insects on Earth than people will prompt thinking along a mathematics way of thinking. Number 5, share and extend. One completed project can successfully pique the curiosity of your child, leading to other interests and many more discoveries. Adults can help by proudly sharing your child's investigation with others. Consider a Zoom call to a friend or a grandparent, or even just sending an email to your child's last year teacher. This builds a community connection and gives children opportunities to share their excitement and curiosity with friends, while taking some of the burden off of the parent, so the child begins to take autonomy and begins to share his ideas with his circle of friends and relatives. The bonus strategy is teaching self-regulated learning skills. Research shows that most students do not learn self-regulated learning skills on their own. They also do not normally learn these skills in school. This means that many students do not function at their full learning potential simply because they don't know how to study and learn. One study published in 2007 found that 65 to 80% of college students said they never were taught how to study. When a child is allowed autonomy alongside adult guidance, they will begin to formulate self-regulated learning skills that could last them a lifetime. A student with highly developed self-regulated skills is aware of different strategies for different learning and can select the best strategy for that context, that subject, or type of learning activity. Furthermore, these students will have a growth mindset. With a little practice, this approach can help children develop independent learning strategies that will make them lifelong learners, and because they have learned to look for interesting ideas in the world around them, they could effectively stave off boredom. In the end, this project, linked to science, math, writing, reading, and social studies with creativity and outdoor explorations. And for your child, this could be home learning at its very best. So there you have it, several strategies to help your children and students become lifelong learners and banish boredom forever. Keep in mind that as a parent, you have the option to change into educational programs that are best suited for your child. If this video has helped you, please leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Also, if you have a story, a tip, a strategy, a question, or just some advice that you would like me to share with my audiences, please also leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Click on these videos above for more awesome information on education and parenting. As always, it is so good to have you visit with us at Ruthsstraighttalk.com. Until next time, happy learning and goodbye.